Hey, this is Rick. Did you ever want to have a nice raised bed garden? Well, I messed around with some raised garden beds in the past, and lately with some health issues, I can't really build them like I used to. So I stumbled onto this product, which is pretty good. These are almost like, if you remember the old Lincoln logs, you buy these blocks, and the only place I found them is actually from Home Depot. And see little notches there? The wood's going to go in there. And then the hole at the top is where you drive a piece of rebar in there and it firms it all up. If you want to start with like a small bed, like a 4x8 garden, which is probably good size, we went ahead and dug this up. Took me a while, but I finally got some of it together and went to the store and bought these planks. These are just your standard 2x6 by 8 foot long, and that's going to make a nice 4x8 bed. Had them cut in half by the store, and that was 9 2x6 by 8 boards, and then you're going to cut 3 of them in half, and that'll be your 4-foot sides. And then get yourself a piece of rebar. You can either cut it up or you can buy the already pre-cut rebar. And so let's get started. I'm going to try to see if I can get my trusty camera woman over here, and she can show you how I lay this out. It's the first time I tried it, so I'm everybody's guinea pig, and we'll see how it works out. All right, so that's the first section we laid down. Not too bad to do, not too hard. Even for people with maybe some medical issues, it's not a real heavy construction type project. Sounds like Lincoln logs. Start the first section. You take these, they weigh roughly about maybe 10 pounds. They're not real heavy. And you stack them like this. These are going to go 3 high. Trust me, I can't lift a lot.
But he's doing it anyway.
With neck and back issues, so. Oh. Take your time. Walk it around, stack them up. And then just like the old school Lincoln logs, slide them right into place. Just like that. Like this. They're locked in. Now we're ready for another section. We'll put our side rails in. And they're like that. Over here, get the other side rail. The hardest part was just digging up the ground to accommodate the bed. Now we're too high. We'll go another section. Good thing these don't more than like a gallon of milk. I'd be in trouble. And another board on top. You can go as high as you want. This will be plenty high for us. Now see how that kicked out right there? That's what we bought the rebar for. Come over here a minute. There's a hole right in the middle of the block here, and we'll drive a rebar in there, and that'll keep it nice and stiff. Now once it rains and we smooth out that dirt, it'll probably lock this all in. Of course, it's Memorial Day here in the Northeast. Thank all our servicemen for their service, and pray for all those that lost their lives for our freedom here in the United States. Believe it or not, here in Delaware, happens to be 90 degrees today. Of course, we decided we would do this project, and there it is. Pretty much completed. All we'll do is we'll take our time and we'll rake back in that dirt, maybe augment some other dirt in there, some soil, and we'll start planting our vegetables. Hey, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe. That button down there in the corner, click that. You'll get all my DIY stuff. I don't do as much DIY as I used to. I do showcase a lot of stuff though and do reviews on it, and a lot of stuff with my aquarium hobby. So please share with your friends, like it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Take care.